What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be giving you 10 reasons to pick up the Galaxy A21. Stay tuned. Hope everyone is having a great day today. We're going to go ahead and get right into this. And we're going to start off with the first reason why I think you should pick up the Galaxy A21. And the first reason is going to be the screen and the screen real estate. More so the screen real estate. Now we have a 6.5 inch screen on the Galaxy A21. This is going to be a 720p screen, so it's not full HD. But this screen is really nice. I think Samsung did a lot of good things with the screen. One making it 6.5 inches and the other giving us more real estate by taking out the camera from the top right there and just giving us a hole punch camera, which is really cool. So I'm really thankful Samsung kind of updated their phone look and their form factor. So I thought that was really cool, and it definitely stays with the times. Second reason is that this phone is only $39 with port in at Metro by T-Mobile. I actually paid $109 for this because I just opened a new line, but these are very affordable prices. Depending on where you go, you may pay more or less, but I feel like the device in general is at a really good price, especially if you go with Metro, Boost Mobile, or someone like Cricket. Fourth reason has to be the 4-camera setup on the rear of the phone. As you guys see, the first camera is going to be a 16 megapixel f1.8 aperture wide angle camera. The second is going to be an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera. Our third camera is going to be a 2 megapixel f2.4 macro camera, and our fourth camera is going to be our 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera. Now the other great thing about this camera, the main camera on the rear of this device actually hosts portrait mode. So we have portrait mode on the front and the rear of this camera, and I feel like a lot of devices these days, especially in the budget range, do not have portrait mode, so it's really cool that we saw it on the Galaxy A21. The fourth reason has to be the camera quality. Now the camera quality on this device is actually really good. As you guys can see, I've made past videos about this device's camera, and I feel like the Galaxy A series is getting very good cameras in them. The saturation is good, the depth is good as well, and I feel like this is a very good overall snapshot. Now as you guys see, the front facing camera even has some very nice clearness to it as well. I feel like this is one of the best front-facing cameras I've seen on a budget phone in a very long time. Now, seeing that there is a Pixel 4a out that has an amazing camera and a few other devices out like that, this is not as impressive, but for the price and what you're getting here, I feel like this is a really good deal. Alright everyone, so on to the fifth reason. I definitely have to say the software. The software is very well optimized. We're running on Android 10.0 UI2, so we're running on the latest software. And the optimization Samsung did for this phone and the updates that we have recently got on this device have really improved this phone's performance. And I think this phone is a very good example of what Samsung has been doing to the A series devices, making them run smoothly. I feel like this device, the Galaxy A21 in general, and the A20 have been running amazing after the update, and I'm glad to see that we have the latest software on this device. So this is definitely a big ups. Sixth reason is going to be that it has NFC. As you guys can see right there, NFC capabilities are turned on and you guys can utilize them inside this device. Now, a lot more people are using NFC, and I can definitely see a ton of people using this in the foreseeable future. So I feel like it's great to have NFC in a phone. You can use it for mobile payments when you don't have a wallet. Obviously, physical cash is probably going to be not here in a second. So I feel like NFC is definitely going to turn into more of a necessity than a nicety. So shout out to Samsung for making this device pretty much future-proof as far as that goes. The seventh reason, and it's going to be in the drop-down bar menu or settings as well, and that is going to be the Dolby Atmos. Now I absolutely love Dolby Atmos, and I love when they put it on these budget phones because you get a very premium surround sound when listening to music, watching videos, and watching movies. I really think this was a good idea. It kind of feels like you're just in a room by yourself or in the movie theater by yourself. Just pop in some decent earbuds and you guys are going to have an amazing experience with the Dolby Atmos sound on here. Eighth reason has to be the security on this device. Now we do have a fingerprint sensor, and in the age of masks, this is something that I feel is a necessity. I really get mad when I can't unlock my phone with my face. So I feel like a fingerprint sensor is kind of essential to have on a device. And it's also cool that Samsung actually gave us the option to use face unlock. So we do have face unlock in this device as well. So if you guys want to use that, you can put that on as well. But the security in general is really decent on these Samsung devices. Ninth reason has to be be the form factor for me. The right side of the phone is made out of a polycarbonate material and the back is a bit rounded, but I feel like the form factor in general is definitely not outdated. I feel like this is still looking like a new and sexy device, especially in 2020. But yeah, I feel like the form factor and everything feels very comfortable. I don't think this feels like a super cheap phone. I know back in 2015, 2016, when you got a budget phone, you really just got a piece of plastic. But I feel like Samsung did a very, very good job on the build of this device. And the 10th reason to buy this device is gaming on this device is really good. Honestly, if you're trying to game on a budget, you can't really do any better than the Galaxy A21. If you're going to buy this phone at $39 with port-in, you guys are going to have a good experience. You're going to be able to play PUBG, Mortal Kombat X, games like that are very high graphic intense. I've also been using real racing on this device as well, so that runs great on this device. I'm a huge racing fan. So if you guys are looking for a gaming phone on a budget, this is definitely something to look at. Yeah, guys, those are my 10 reasons to pick up the Galaxy A21. If you guys have any more reason, any more pros, any more cons, definitely put them in the comments section down below. Also, anyone who's used this phone on a very long-term basis, and let other people know about your experience with the phone. So far, I feel like the experience has been very decent, especially for the price I paid for this device. And I feel overall it's a pretty solid phone. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing. Also hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.